must go, I won't ask you to wait. Though my heart longs to stay, I know love means letting go.
If I remain, I would only hold you back. So I'll leave, though it hurts, but my love will never change. Yeah, whoa.
And I still love you, yes I still love you. No matter where life takes us, you will always be a part of me.
You, my darling, you. Every laugh, every tear lives inside this heart of mine. So goodbye, don't you cry. Though I leave, love stays behind. Whoa, oh.
No regrets, no words unsaid. You were my light, my dearest friend. Though we must go our separate ways, my love for you will never fade. Oh, and I will still love you.
Through the dark, through the rain, I will still love you.
Though the winds may call my name, you are the song I'll always hear. The love that lingers through the years,
and I will still love you. Oh, yeah.
Time will pass, seasons change, but memories will still remain. If you ever feel alone, close your eyes, I'm not gone. And I will still love you through the dark, through the rain. I will still love you, though the winds may call my name. You are the song I'll always hear, the love that lingers through the years, and I will still love you. Change, but memories will still remain. If you ever feel alone,
Close your eyes, I'm not gone. No distance, no space,